Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. If you're new here, my name's Mason, and on this channel, I help marketers, entrepreneurs, and online business owners like you navigate the world of SEO, digital marketing, and growth strategies. So, if you're trying to take your online business to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss the valuable content I've got in store for you. All right, let's dive straight into today's topic, and trust me, this one's going to be a game changer if you're serious about SEO. We all know that one of the most important things you need to rank higher on Google is backlinks. And not just any backlinks, but high-quality backlinks from authority sites. So today, I want to talk to you about a tool that could seriously take your link-building efforts to a whole new level, WikiLinkRobot. If you've ever struggled with building backlinks, whether it's the hassle of manually signing up for dozens of sites, the endless hours of work, or the cost of outsourcing, you know how frustrating it can be. It's time-consuming, expensive, and let's be honest, it's not something most of us look forward to doing. But here's the good news. WikiLinkRobot makes backlink building effortless. And I'm going to tell you exactly how it works and why it might just be the SEO solution you've been searching for. First off, let me give you a quick overview of what WikiLinkRobot actually does. It's a fully web-based tool that automates the process of building high-quality wiki backlinks for your website or any URL you want to rank. And I'm not talking about just a few backlinks here. 100+ backlinks, all from reputable wiki sites, and all done on autopilot. Yeah, you heard that right. You just add your URL, hit the submit button, and the software takes care of the rest. Now, let's talk about why wiki backlinks are so important. If you're familiar with SEO, you know that Google and other search engines look at backlinks as a sign of trust. The more quality backlinks you have, the more likely your site is to rank higher in search results. Wiki sites are especially valuable because they are high authority. Sites like Wikipedia use MediaWiki, an open-source platform that powers many wiki sites, and these sites carry a lot of SEO weight. Typically, to get backlinks from wiki sites, you'd either have to manually submit your URL to hundreds of wiki pages, which can take days or even weeks of work, or you'd have to purchase backlinks from a service like Fiverr, which can get expensive really quickly, especially if you need backlinks on an ongoing basis. So this is where WikiLinkRobot really shines. It automates the entire process for you. You don't have to worry about signing up for accounts on individual wiki sites, you don't need to deal with CAPTCHAs, and you certainly don't need to buy backlinks from Fiverr anymore. WikiLinkRobot does all the heavy lifting for you. It generates backlinks from hundreds of wiki pages without any technical hurdles. All you need to do is log into the platform, enter the URL you want backlinks for, and let the software take care of the rest. One of the best things about WikiLinkRobot is its cloud-based nature. You don't need to download or install anything on your computer. You can access it from any device, whether that's your laptop, desktop, or even your smartphone. No complicated installations, no confusing software, just a straightforward, easy-to-use interface that's perfect for beginners and seasoned SEO pros alike. But let's talk about something that's a real game changer, especially if you're working with clients or running an agency. The reports you get from WikiLinkRobot are unbranded. What does that mean? It means you get a clean, white-labeled backlink report. No logos, no watermarks, just the results. This is a huge plus if you're selling SEO services or backlink building services to clients because you can send them professional, unbranded reports straight away. It's a nice touch that adds credibility to your services and makes you look more professional. And while we're talking about selling backlink services, this is where WikiLinkRobot gets even better. The software comes with a commercial agency license, which means you can not only use it for your own websites, but also sell backlink services to others. If you've ever wanted to build an SEO business, This tool makes it super easy to get started. You can offer affordable wiki backlinks to your clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even on your own website. Imagine how much time and effort you're going to save, and the profits you could generate by offering this as a service. Another thing I really like about WikiLinkRobot is that it's affordable. If you've ever looked into outsourcing backlinks, you know how expensive it can get. But with WikiLinkRobot, you get access to 100+ high-quality backlinks for a fraction of the cost, and you don't have to keep paying every time you need more links. I think this tool is perfect for a wide range of people. Whether you're a small business owner trying to rank higher in local search results, an entrepreneur looking to build your online presence, or a freelancer or agency owner offering SEO services, WikiLinkRobot can seriously streamline your backlink building efforts. It's easy to use, cost-effective, and it delivers great results. So if you're tired of the manual backlink building grind and want a fast, automated solution, I highly recommend giving WikiLinkRobot a try. It's helped me save so much time and energy, and I'm sure it will do the same for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.